I'm going to show you how to create an eLink, which is what you will use for every hostess, every party that you have. Every hostess gets her own shopping link. So you will start in your e-commerce website, and once you log in, you'll go to My Account, which brings you to the screen, tells you all of your numbers, and you'll go over to Add Event. And for Facebook parties, home shows, all of that fun stuff, you will always use eShow. We'll talk about eFairs later, but for now, we're just going to do an eShow. Your start date, you always want to keep today's date. If you pick a future date, you won't be able to access the web link that you need to share with your guests until that actual date happens. So if you need to create an e-link and have access to it, you want to keep the start date as at least today or yesterday. Can't be in the future. Expires, I always give it 2 weeks. It's kind of defaulted to 2 weeks, but sometimes people need extra time, so I always just keep it open for 2 weeks. And then you'll put your hostess's name. So for this one, we're just going to put Mary Test. So this is where your hostess's name goes. If it's your launch party, you'll put your name. You have to have something in first and last name. It won't let you leave either one of those fields blank. So you'll go down and save. Then you'll go over to Event List. Once you click Save, it will take you to the screen automatically. I didn't actually save that because I already had this one created. But then you'll go down to Mary Test, and here's your link. Mary Test right there, and here's your link for sharing. So this is what you will use in Mary Test's party, so that Mary Test's guests can shop from her party. If you spelt something wrong, you can just go here and change the spelling, or you can even change the dates, but that's where you do that. And that is creating an eLink. If you where's Mary Test? If when you created this, you put a future date, let's put this in the future. Let's say, just say tomorrow. You will find that in future links. So in order to get that, link, you'll have to edit it and put it back to a current date, either today or yesterday. We'll go back to Event List. And there it is again. So that's creating an eLink.